Jazzy. Oh, so where did you get these three? Smyths toys. Oh my God! So you got three. Is it shark shape? Is it a shark car? Oh wow! So yeah, they are. I think you are right. Yes, you are. Okay, they look the same, but actually they have different sort of shapes. So look at that. That's crocodile. He's correct, and he said that's dinosaur. So red, green, and blue. So we bought these in a set, one whole set. So do you like playing with them, Jazzy? What do you like the most? What do you like the most? This. So what do you like the most in them? Why do you like them?
It's two nice shapes.
Two nice shapes. Ah.
Same colors.
Same colors. Okay. Great. So we had a very good review and a feedback. So if you want to buy... Oh yeah, look, it just went straight. So if you want to buy these cars, you will love it. Thank you. Oh, that's switched off, I think. Oh wow, baby. Well done. I think the battery is low, right? So we bought this from Amazon. We watched too many TikTok videos.
Mama.
Show us your, so Jazzy, show us your marble watch. Wow, this is so cool. How do you switch it on?